So let's talk about a smart place to grow and protect your money. Now, for those that may or may not know, I'm a big proponent of insurance, not because of the death benefit or anything like that, but this is a fundamental weapon. It's a secret weapon, right? The cash value life insurance. This is about being able to leverage this tool to play both offense and defense with your money. Cash value life insurance, like certain whole life or index universal life policies, basically. This is life insurance that builds you a pot of money that you can use while you're alive, ladies and gentlemen. So I want you to think of it as a financial Swiss Army knife, right? It's going to provide for you, it's going to provide for your loved ones, and it's going to build up cash that you can tap into later. That cash value is going to grow over time. Listen to me, tax deferred. You can borrow against it for big moves like buying a house or starting a business or even funding more investments down the lines. That's the defense, protecting not only you, but protecting your family or whoever depends on you. But the offense is that growing cash value. So it's like a slow, steady runner that keeps gaining yards every year, right? Even when the market is going nuts, everybody's talking about stocks and crypto and real estate, but few young people talk about life insurance as a wealth tool. A lot of wealthy folks and savvy athletes quietly use this because it's stable, it's protected, and it forces you to save consistently, right? So imagine by the time you're 30, you have a policy that's built, say, $50,000 or $100,000 in the cash value. That's money that you can use. And unlike a 401k, which a lot of people steer towards, or an IRA, you don't have to wait until you're 60 to access it. Now, this is not a get-rich-quick thing. It's a stay-rich strategy thing. So it's not going to give you the flashy stock market returns in a single year, but it also won't disappear when there's an economic downturn or what is others know as a market crash. So it's steady growth, like a veteran player doing the fundamentals right every single play. You can borrow from that cash value for opportunities or even emergencies, and if structured right, pay it back on your own terms. So this is the whole Nelson Nash theory about being your own bank. But instead of begging the bank for a loan, you've got a pot that you can pull from while your policy keeps growing as if you hadn't touched a dime. This is the game changer that a lot of wealthy people won't tell you about, but this is what they're using. But it's a smart piece of a balanced financial game plan, especially for protecting what you've built and what you're building.